Okay, so want to get an easier way to approach some basic mathematics in case you are not with your calculator. Most times it's not even advisable, at least for those of you in primary school, junior secondary school, let's say even the SS1, though there are few things you can make use of your calculator. Now, sometimes you might be stuck, and then how do you go about approaching some mathematical problem? Firstly, we want to do that of the percentage. How do we go about mathematical problems on percentage? You can be asked, what is 107? And then you'll be looking, where's my calculator? Let me quickly get my calculator. This is how to go about it. 6 times 1 is what? 6. Place your point. Then 6 times 7 is what? 42, right? This becomes the answer when you punch your calculator. 6 times the first number, you have what? Your number 6 points, you drop your dots. And then 6 times, it is as though 07 is still also what? 7. So 6 times 7 is what? 42. Now, you might say, maybe it's working for only this. What about if we have, let me get a bigger number, 22% of 311. You do same thing. 22 multiplied by 3 is what? 66, right? Place your points. Now 22 multiplied by 11 is what? This is still part of the mathematics arc that I'm going to teach you. Whenever you're having a number multiplying 11, this is what you do. You have 22 times 11. This is what you do. You have 2, and then you drop what? 2 by this side. This 2, you drop it at the other end, and then you have 2 plus 2 is what? 4. 22 times 11 is 242. This 2, the number, the 11 is just playing there. The 2, you place it at both ends, and then add up the what? Middle number. So you have what? 242. Now, instead of we writing 242, you don't have 3-digit number. These two add up with the word 6 here. So these two join up, you have what? 68.42. So 22% of 311 is 68.42. Now, everybody attempt this through the method that we've done quickly. 7% of 131 is what? Few seconds. Okay, Annabelle, what do you have? Come out.
What do you? 9.17.
9.17. Clap for her. 7 times 1, 7, right?
Yes, sir.
7 times 31 is what? 217. And I told you, don't get 3 decimal place. Add up this, and then you have 7 plus 2, 9.17. Okay, not 17, 17. After your decimal, you call your numbers one after the other. Okay, now the second one, this is for percentage arc. Want to go over to multiplying the square of a number ending with 5. Multiplying a square of a number ending with 5. For example, you're having multiply or expand 15 square. Expand 15 square. And then you're asking, how do I go about this? Now what you do is this. The square of 5 is what? 25, right? Just keep it by the side. In fact, by default, whenever you are having a number, the square of a number that ends with what? 5, just keep what? 25 by the side. Now this other number, this is where our focus is, 1. Now you are going to do 1 times, what is the next number after 1? After 1 you have what? 2, right? Then you have 1 times 2 to become what? 2. That is the answer of 15 square becomes what? 225. Now we can say this is just a small number. How about we expand 85 square? Now I said this 5 becomes 25. Just keep it at the latter part. And then you're having what? 8. After 8, what was the next number? 9. 8 times 9 is what? 72. This becomes 85 square. So everybody attempts this briefly. Expand 45 square. You should just throw the answer to me. Okay?
The answer is 2025.
She said the answer is what?
2025.
2025. Clap for her. Now the next, we want to see how to expand numbers multiplying numbers with 11. Example, 40 times 11. 40 times 11. You said? Now, this is the method. As I said, place this at both ends, the first side and the what? Third term. Now you add up 4 plus what? 0. 4 plus 0 is what? 4. This becomes our answer. Let's use the common one that we know. 11 times 11, we know is 121, right? So let's confirm that. This is 1. You drop it at both ends. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. You just drop it at the middle. So everything works that way. Now attempt this. Briefly, everyone. 38 times 11. Okay. Come.
Sir, 3,118.
I know you make that mistake. You said 3,118. Okay. It's a little wrong. I know where you got it wrong. Now, next time, this is what you do. You add up the 3 and the 1. You add up the 3 and the what? 1 to become 418. Now, the pattern works. 3, 8. Now 3 plus 8 is what? 11. But we can't have 4-digit number. Rather, place it like this. And then you do your what? Addition. 8, 1, and then 4. You understand? So that is how it works. And then the last one, we're having multiplying random 2-digit numbers. For example, you can be asked 36 times 25. 36 times 25. This is how to go about it. Now, the first number with this, multiplying the first number, we are doing it this way. 3 times 2 is what? 6. 6 times 5 is what? 30. Okay. Now, we are going to multiply at both ends. Now 3 times 5 is what? 15. You write that at the side. 6 times 2 is what? 12. The add up is what? 7, 2. Now the 27 will be written as this. This becomes 27. You place it like this, and then you're having 0, 0, 3, and then 6. This becomes a multiplication of it. You multiply, I come again. Okay, let me do it. Another example. You're having, let's pick 40 times 27, random numbers. Now multiply the first term with the second. That is what? 4 times 2, right? You're having 8. Now the next, 0 times what? 7, which is what? 0. Now this will be at this part. Now the next, instead of you to do the first and the first, now go for the first and the last, which is what? 28. Write it by the side because you're adding up. Then these two, when you do that, you have what? 0, and then this is what? 28. Then you drop the 28. Now the first one, I kept the 7 under this, and I kept this in the open space because I cannot place my 27 here, and we have what? 5-digit numbers, and they cannot give me what? 5-digit numbers. So you place 2, 7. Now what about this? What I did is because I can get 4-digit number after doing 4 times 7, 8, 4 times 2, 8, 0 times 7, 0, 4 times 7, 28, 0 times 2, 0, 0 plus 28. I drop the 28 here because I can have 4-digit numbers. But for this, I can't have 5-digit numbers. Then place it like this. So you do the what? Addition. Now let's see situation where we're supposed to have 6-digit number. What do we do? Now for the C, let me use a bigger number. We're having 85 times 37. Now when you want to do with our normal process, 8, we multiply what? 3, right? 8 times 3 is what? 24. You place it here. 5 times 7 is what? 35. You place it here. Now you can close it up. Why are you closing it up? We need what? 4-digit number, but this is not what? Our answer. Now the next thing, 8 times 7 is what? 56 at one side. 5 times 3 is what? 15. You add it up, you're having what? 6 plus 5, 11, right? 1, carry 1. 1 plus 5 plus 1, 7. Drop the 7 in between. Then you do your what? Addition. You're having 5, 4, 1 raised to the power of 1, 3, and this becomes your answer. So 85 times what? 37 gives you 3,145. So whenever you are doing a random number, especially 2-digit number, note this, your answer must be in what? 4 digits. So when you're having 5, try to place depending on who has the what? 2-digit number. If this add the 2-digit number, let's assume this was 3 here. Now these two would have fell under what? 3, and then this will be what? A random number. But it's because this is carrying the 2-digit number, that is why we put the units of this second one here and the other one there. So this is just part 1 of our arc. Maybe some other times I'll bring more mathematics arc for us, so we'll learn more. So without your calculator, it can be what? Easier. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.